Pennsylvania's greatest car collector, Mr. Kevin Baker, and we are in a 911 GT3. Now this is essentially, I haven't done my review yet, we're just gonna go for a ride. He's gonna scare me properly first and then I'll poke around it. But yeah, this thing is essentially a race car for the road. Manual transmission, 4-liter, flat 6, 500 horsepower. Manual transmission, mind you. I mean, just listen to that behind you. So yeah, it's a race car for the road. You can get this in the PDK, but this is the manual. Look, everybody's looking at it. They're like, oh, that's just Kevin again. I really feel like we are like on the ground.
It's so good. It's so good.
I mean, okay,
Double
so
wishbone suspension
right
in front makes this thing a laser.
Now let me ask you this: since you've had many GT3s and lots of sports cars, do you even see the need for a GT3 RS unless you are like 100% like tracking it? I mean, like this is a perfectly fine, crazy hardcore sports car, but that thing is just so extreme. I mean,
it's going to be a track weapon.
Yeah,
no doubt about that. And it's going to be only in PDK.
Yeah.
So it's going to be lightning quick.
Because race car, basically.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, the bragging rights of owning one, I want a manual.
Yeah, I agree with you.
But I can't lie, I'd love the bragging rights of a GT3 RS because there's nothing boring about that car at full steam.
Yeah.
Because when you watch that GT3 RS, when it shifts, it drops to 7,200 RPM, then immediately, bam, right back to 9,000. It is lightning milliseconds quick. So that part's intoxicating.
Yeah. And like
driving the Starbucks in a automatic car to
yeah.
me is not as much fun as this one.
Yeah.
So I'll be a half a second slower.
Yeah. With a little bit more driver involvement, right?
Absolutely.
And nobody is going to have them either. They're going to be so hard to get a hold of. I mean,
I'm going to get to see it. I go to the Tech Tactics next weekend with Porsche, and it will be the GT3 RS up on a lift, and it'll be the 911 Dakar.
Oh.
For the whole day.
Nice.
All the Tech Tactics going over all the different things about the car. So will that flip me off the fence and maybe want an automatic? Not maybe.
Maybe, yeah. It's a good problem to have, right?
Something to think about. Throttle body for every 6-cylinder in this car.
Wow.
Which is why the naturally aspirated motors, although not as quick off the line, are absolutely intoxicating.
Yeah, you can't beat them.
From 7,000.
Yeah, this is a 9,000 RPM red line, which is stratospheric. I mean,
it's another world at 7,000 RPM.
Right.
And then you keep going. It's amazing.
It's crazy.
We picked it up already broken in because it had 1,100 miles. Drove it home from Philadelphia, Warrington area. Laughed the whole way home.
How could you not? Yeah.
Because every time you rode through the gears, you hit 9,000.
Oh.
It doesn't quit.
That's 5,000. Oh my God.
Oh, you have no idea.
I just got a taste.
You have no idea. It's so fun.
And the other thing, he mentioned that this has the comfort seats. Like normally they come with like their race buckets, which are like no padding, you know, because weight saving. But these are super comfortable.
Fantastic, and they're plenty supportive because they're the 18-way. So
right.
You can bolster them in as tight or as loose as you need.
Right, right.
So yes, I've had one GT car in carbon fiber seats, and your passengers hate you after 90 miles.
Oh my God, listen to that. That is a beautiful, beautiful sound. Oh my God, feel that. Screaming.
being able to row through the gears of this thing right the red line is incredible. Short shift kit, the gears are so close together.
Yeah. Wow.
Flat sixes are the most amazing thing in the world. Naturally aspirated.
That's the best.
King.
That's the best 6-cylinder there is. It has to be.
It's incredible.
And yes, the suspension feels tighter, but of course, this is a GT3. It's not
Track
that bad.
mode. There's comfort mode.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's still plenty daily. People go, it's not a daily driver. I'm like, you're crazy. You can drive this thing all day long.
Yeah.
And that's in track mode.
Yeah.
It's so easy. You just hit it, change it to sport, whatever. You've got the dial on the dash to dial it to whatever you need it to be.
Right. I mean, I thought that GTS was something special, and it is, but
The GTS off the line.
yeah, this is just,
can't be beat.
this is another level though, for sure.
It's a different thing.
Going
In other
around
words,
that-
you
that-
have to. There's no squealing of tires.
Yeah.
It's like I don't know what squealing tires sound like in this
Right,
car because
right.
it doesn't do it.
Oh yeah, it's a Kevin Baker drive. Oh man. Okay, this is where it'll shine on the ramp. Oh my god. Wow. That's amazing. You're a pretty good driver, my friend.
So how do you not love a GT3?
I
That's
don't
traction control on.
Yeah.
Now I drifted all the way around my complex on a Sunday.
Right.
I did it back to back with the M4 then this.
Yeah.
Both of them are drifting machines.
Yeah. Yeah, because you have the ESC off.
Turn
and then
it
both
off.
So you can play around with what you, stability control, traction control.
Oh yeah, you can go straight to. See when now you're at track,
Yeah.
then you hit these and turn them off. So long as they're not lit up, they're
Yeah.
still on.
Right.
So you can still go track mode. Although I'm in track suspension now, and I don't find it overly rough.
No, it's not that bad. I mean, Pennsylvania roads aren't that bad. I mean, they could be better,
But
but
if you're cruising here at 50,
yeah.
it is smooth, comfortable enough. I feel no need to change exhausts.
Right. No. I don't think you need more.
No, I don't want drone.
Yeah, you
I
can do it
listen
for
to Fab Speed's exhaust for this, and they sound fantastic.
Right.
But at highway speed, because this car's going to DC, it's going to other places.
Yeah.
I don't want drone.
No. And you're not, it's like, you're not lacking. You don't need, I mean, there comes to a point where you gotta be, okay, this is
You can
good
have a
as it is.
conversation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I got friends, you know.
Yeah, you like to chat
I
when
like
you're
to
driving
talk.
too.
That transmission is nobody makes a better manual.
Oh yeah,
BMW's close,
yeah.
but boy, Porsche's king for automatic and manual. How good is this car?
Just listen to that. That is insane.
Here's where it's incredible. Like nobody has a clue. So here's my friend shifting for the first time.
Yeah, you're throwing you all
They're not
around.
used to it.
Yeah. Huh.
And the Lotus was like that.
Yeah.
My first drive in the Lotus, I'm like, holy freaking hell.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, the brakes are pretty good. Holy Kevin.
It's an amazing car.
Oh my god.
What I love about it is it says wild as you want it to be.
Yeah.
Or,
But like
or,
that.
or nothing.
That what you just did is just as impressive as the straight line speed and everything. Just, I mean, wow.
This car excels in traction.
Yeah.
This car is faster than the previous GT3 RS.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It crushed it at the track.
Uh-huh.
It has a several hundred pounds more downforce.
Yep.
And that double wishbone suspension is the best thing I've ever had in a car. I will never, everything feels sloppy as hell now.
Yeah.
This car
Now that you've
is
experienced
a
this.
laser.
Yeah, I 100%
Don't get me wrong, Lotus is an incredibly fun car.
Yeah.
But it's not as refined as this.
No.
Nobody does
they've been doing
the
this
precision
forever.
better than them. This is the suspension off their Cup car.
Yeah. Which is insane.
And it's amazing.
For a road car.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
It's amazing. It's comfortable. You could. I love when they go, it's not a daily driver. Don't buy this, it's gonna be a daily driver.
Yeah.
I'm in track mode. You know, track mode, double knee replacements, hip replacement, and I'm fine. Shut up, man. You're nuts.
Yeah, don't be a wuss. To get a car and
That's why I said to him, what the hell cars are they
yeah.
driving Cadillacs every day that they think this is not daily? It's a fantastic daily driver.
It's incredible.
Because, I mean, if you shifted 4,000 RPM, it's like every other 911 if you want it to be.
Right, right. That's where, when you live up in the clouds with this car, that's what makes it the GT3.
Oh,
Yeah.
nothing gives me the euphoria. Number one, to look at the car.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I think it's visually just, I love it because it's not over the top.
Right,
But
right.
it's not average either.
Yep.
I'm not an Aventador Hurricanes as far as I can go, where I start to feel like I'm in a clown car.
Right, right.
And don't get me wrong, I appreciate those cars and I appreciate the people that buy them, but I don't care about them.
Yeah. There's another
Well, people love
B-dub.
you. People love you.
That's your very distant cousin, GTI.
That's
Oh my
a fun
god.
car too. But seriously, the guy that drove the 500 horsepower Audi after experiencing red line in this, and the thing is, on the dash, I don't know if you saw the lights on the dash or not, but it lights up as you're getting the 7,000. It goes yellow, then the blue. It's crazy. I'm like, what is that magic?
Yeah, if you had something like that, I mean, this would like spoil you. Like, you're like, damn it, now I want that, you know. And don't get us wrong, a 500 horsepower Audi is incredible too, but
oh no, this guy was shaking because again, the whole driver feedback experience.
Yeah.
It's comfortable enough, but yet they removed enough of the other things.
yeah, yeah.
That you feel a little bit more in tune with your car.
All right, so now I'm gonna do my walk around. I'm gonna have a cigarette first and calm down. Wow, so stay tuned.